Hey friends, it's Impact 119 night. Just want to take a minute for a second. And as we've been going through all this crazy stuff with this virus, I just got to thinking about when this all first started taking place. We all got word that we were going to be going home, and so we automatically kind of took to social media, to Facebook, to band, and in all different ways, and we challenged and encouraged each other to stay connected and to stay connected to God's Word. And one of the things that we did was we went and we shared our favorite Bible verse, and then we challenged others. So today, I'm going to tell you one of my favorite verses is John 14, 1 through 4. And then it's Jesus talking. And he says, "Let not your hearts be troubled. You believe in God, believe also in me. In my Father's house are many mansions. If it were not so, I would have told you. I go to prepare a place for you. And if I go to prepare a place for you, I will come again and receive you unto myself, that where I am, there you may be also." That encourages me so much because I know that Jesus is right now in heaven, getting all of heaven ready for us that trust Him, that believe in Him, that have put our faith in Him. And so that's exciting to me to know that all this that's going on is not forever, it's just for a time. But let's encourage one another while we're in this time and just let everybody know that they are loved and to stay connected to each other and connected to God's Word. I challenge you to challenge 3 other people. Give your favorite verse and then challenge 3 others. Call out 3 others to give their favorite Bible verse and challenge others. I love you. I will see you Sunday, hopefully, as we assemble together on Sunday morning. Bye, guys.